Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed review of the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So here is the box for our Poetic Spartan case for Z Fold 6. As you can see, it comes in the metallic gun color option. So here we got a quick start guide how to use the kickstand and replacement of the adhesive strips. It's multiple pages, so we got some other stuff as well. And here is our Poetic Spartan case for Z Fold 6. As you can see, it's looking pretty solid, heavy duty. So this is the front side, and as you can see, it comes with a screen protector as well. And here is the rear side. So the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes in multiple parts. The first one here is the hard front frame with built-in screen protector. Then we got this part that comes with this nice shock-proof EVA foam. We got hard PC back cover, soft TPU on the sides to absorb the shock, and this hinge cover here that protects the hinge of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here you can see that we got the Spartan branding. This case is military standard drop tested and certified and come with military standard 810G certification. So you can expect solid protection to your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 if you use the Poetic Spartan case on it. And unlike majority of the cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Poetic Spartan case comes with this movable part that covers and protects the hinge of the device. Here we got this adhesive strip that provides better attachment of the body of Z Fold 6 with this case. So here goes the back part. And now the front part. So it is adding a bit of bulk to our Z Fold 6, as you can see here, but it is fully protected. Here you can see it comes with these grooves, the textured sides that provide a very nice grip while holding the Z Fold 6 with this case on. Here is the cutout for the fingerprint sensor, and you can easily use it. As you can see here, it is working perfectly. Here at the bottom we got the cutouts for the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, the microphone. The same goes with the top as well. We got cutouts for microphones, the speaker grill. Here we got the buttons for the volume, and as you can see, it is working fine as well. They are very tactile and clicky and provide a nice experience while pressing them. As you can see that the front part is protected by the screen protector, and the edges are raised a lot to provide protection to the cover screen if you accidentally drop your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 with this Poetic Spartan case on it. On the back we got this Poetic branding. Here we got all of these textured foam, and then here we got the cutout for the camera and the flash. And as you can see, once again the back is quite elevated from the body of the Z Fold 6, and because of that the camera lens and the flash is fully protected even if you drop your smartphone along with this case. Here is a kickstand provided, so you can use this kickstand to watch the content in horizontal way as well as in a vertical format. So once again, this is quite nice that this kickstand is built in the Poetic Spartan case for Z Fold 6, and you can use it for both vertical and horizontal usage, and it is quite durable and snappy as well. And you can use this kickstand not only for the cover screen, also for the main screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So once again, this is quite impressive and a very useful feature of the Poetic Spartan case of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 here. Here on the hinge side, a slot is provided for the S Pen, and this slot is compatible with the S Pen from 2022 up to 2024. So all of the previous models of the S Pen are also compatible, and they will fit in this slot here on the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Once you open the smartphone, then the back is fully protected as well as the front along with the hinge. Let me show you the folding unfolding mechanism, how it works. As you can see, it's pretty nice. So the hinge is fully protected, and as I have told you, this is not so common in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold cases. So the whole body, the front of the device with the cover screen, the sides, the back, as well as the hinge is going to be fully protected if you use the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Poetic Spartan Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case comes with military grade drop testing, so it is pretty solid and going to provide a 360-degree protection to your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. As you can see, it looks pretty durable and sturdy from every angle. And the Poetic Spartan case for Z Fold 6 is also wireless charging compatible, and as you can see, it is working perfectly here. It does not come with the MagSafe compatibility, so other than the MagSafe stand charger, it is going to work fine with majority of the wireless charging solutions currently available in the market. So if you're planning to buy a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, then the Poetic Spartan case is one of the most durable, sturdy and feature-rich case that you can get for your Z Fold 6 right now. So thanks for watching this video, friends. If you enjoyed watching it, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.